Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Super great having you guys here today, and it's good to be doing a video for you today, guys. So on one of my YouTube video, I get a message from one of my viewers, and they were basically saying to me that I should share how I would send. I don't know if I'm understanding the message correctly, but they were saying that I should share proof of how I will send money to my bank account. So yeah. So they comment on this money making app. So I'm gonna share it you guys if I was going to do that, or I would do that, because that's how I understand the message. So yes, guys. Just want to say to you guys before I get into the video, thank you for being here. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. And I'll do my best to share to you guys how I earn personally on the side of money making apps and get paid two sides. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. This is just personally me sharing with you guys how I personally earn online with get paid two sides and money making apps. And if you're interested, I'll leave the links in the description down below for you. So it'd be super easy for you to just click the link and make your very own account so you can start earning. So the comment was done on this money making app, and I've been wanting to do an update on this money making app. The last time I did an update on this money making app, which is the NC wallet. So if you guys are familiar with the crypto tab browser, so let me show you guys something. So if I go to the crypto tab browser, which is this one, right? Basically, they have a whole like they have a whole ecosystem of all the earnings app that they're using and stuff like that. So if you're interested, you basically can just go on their website, guys, and you can see all the different money making apps that they do offer, and just how you can start earning with any one of these money making app if you're interested in doing so. So yes, guys. So I was basically going over all my transaction yesterday and these money making apps. So this is basically how I've been earning with the money making app. These are my transaction, and for Bitcoin, these are my transaction also. You can see some of them have been cancels, some of them have completed, and some of them are still processing. So yes, guys, for some reason this money making app, it's not paying out like it used to. Before, they were paying out to any wallet of your choice, and afterwards they did change now to their own wallet, which is the NC wallet, which is the wallet I'm previously using right now. So yes, guys, back to the wallet. So now I'm here on the wallet, guys, and what I'm gonna say to you guys personally about the wallet is that I basically put all the coins that I want to accumulate in my wallet. So it's very easy and simple how to do that. All you have to do is just add the to wallet. This button right here that says plus, you press it, you search for the coin that you want, and you basically just press it, and then you can add it to your wallet. So that's what I did. And right now I'm gonna share to you guys all the apps that I do, the coins that I do have. So I have Bitcoin, Ethereum, I have the USDT, I have Shiba Inu, and I have CTC, which is the coin that they pay you out for staking on the platform, right? So you can see I have the Binance token on the platform. I don't have any. You can see the amount there, so you can see the amount. Some of the amounts are zero, but I'm just sharing it to you guys. Those are the one that I'm in future and personally have and in the future will invest in. So yeah, Solana, I have a little bit of Solana here. The Roblox token. So the Roblox token is, if you see me do videos basically where I'm showing you guys how I'm earning with the Roblox token, the Roblox Fit, and the Roblox Relax, this is where I get my earnings. This is where my earnings basically come, right? You can see I have the front, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, right? And I have Doge here that I had, ton, and then basically Matic protocol, and then I have the SC. So what is SC? SC is basically a bonus coin that they give you on the platform, which I just shared you guys. It's a bonus coin for basically earning on the platform, and they basically share it with you. So all of these I'm holding here on the platform. So just to keep all that into consideration, guys. Some of them are at zero, some of them I have a little bit of earnings. Now, on the bottom of the screen, you can see you have history, and this is how I've been cashing out into my platform from the money making apps, and this is how I've been paid out the CTC coins daily just by having some coins on the platform, just to keep that into consideration. So yes, guys, so the deposit button, if you're interested in just receiving cryptocurrency. So there are two ways or you can receive cryptocurrency. You can receive by the email. You can, like, if like say you are using their ecosystem, you just have to use the email that you sign up with. And let's say you're basically sending from a different wallet, they do have the address, the token address or the gamer tag, so you can use that also. Then you have the exchange. In order for you to exchange from one token to another token, the minimum, I think, let me see, the minimum you have to have. I think the minimum you have to have is, I think it's $7. I think it's $7 or $10, between $7 and $10 US. So keep it into consideration. So let me see. I want to say the max amount of my Bitcoin to ETH exchange to ETH. Yeah, the max amount. And I'm gonna press. Okay, let me do the these are what I can send from. So I'm gonna go with this. And let me say I want to put it into Bitcoin, right? And I want to go the max amount. So basically, okay, so I have to have 7 of this. So 7 something and plus the fee, right? So exactly what I said, between 7 and $10 US you have to have on your account. And as you guys can see, as of right now, my account is at $5. So I won't be able to basically cash out. But I'm gonna share with you guys, if I have the amount of money, how I would do it, because I want to answer the questions that was made. Now send. You can, if you're interested in sending your cryptocurrency, right? You can send it to another NC wallet. So let's say I have an NC wallet, you have an NC wallet, I can send to you. And let's say I want to send it to another exchange, right? Another wallet. I can do that also. You can do it. You can send it off the platform, right? So now let me show you how I would do it. Firstly, let's say I'm in the wallet, right? And let's say I have, okay, $10 US in Bitcoin or in USD. I would say USD, right? I would basically go ahead and send that USD to, so I will click the button that says send, and I will send the Bitcoin or the Ethereum. I will send it to another exchange, right? And from that exchange, I will send, because whichever exchange I'm gonna send it to, I should be KYC'd. This is a wallet, not a KYC. So basically, wallets don't connected to bank accounts, but KYC trading platform do connect to your bank account. So that is the reason why you aren't able to send it from a wallet to your bank account, but you can send it from a wallet, which is this wallet, to your KYC trading platform. And let's say I decided to send it to my Bluefin account or any one of my account, right? I decided to send it to my Bluefin, and let's say, okay, I go into my wallet of my Bluefin, I will go to my my funding, because you only can send out um earnings from bluffing to your um bank account. But you need to put all your earnings. Let's say you need to put your earnings in USDT, right? You need to put your earnings in USDT. And once you put your earnings in USDT, you make sure it's on the funding, because if you notice, if I go on to futures, there is no withdrawal button. In spots, there's no withdrawal button. The only way you can take your earnings off this platform now that you put it on from the wallet is by going to your funding. So all you have to do is just transfer. You want to transfer from your spot, right, to your funding. And once you do that, right, you can go ahead and actually take out your earnings to your bank account. So let's say I decided to take out some Bitcoin, right? And I send that Bitcoin to a KYC trading platform. I could sell my Bitcoin on the market, get um the currency that I'm using in that trading platform, right? So let's say I am in Canada. So let's say I decided to sell my Bitcoin. I will get Canadian dollars, because the money making app that I'm using, it's KYC with my, and KYC is just basically you presenting your identity, your either your passport or your driver's license or something, and that is now connected to. So whatever country you're in, you'll KYC with your information, and that's the currency you will know cash. And once you do that, you can sell it on the market, and then you can transfer your cash into your bank account. And that's how you will able to take out your money from this NC wallet. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. The person who basically commented, I think his name was Emmanuel something, right? So Emmanuel, this video is for you basically. So this is how you will take the earnings from your NC wallet basically to your bank account, if that's what you were referring to, if that's the question you were asking. So just want to keep it into consideration, guys. So yeah, for me personally, these money making apps are building on its own. It's passively building on its own. From I just earned with the money making app, which is the CT pool and the crypto tab lite. And then after that, I send it over to my NC wallet, and then from there, the earnings will go to um stay on the wallet. The earnings will go to the wallet, stay on the wallet, and accumulate the CTC coins. And as they build and grow, once I have enough, I'll basically convert them over to Bitcoin or Ethereum or Solana or Doge or Tron or any one of those. And then after those mature, which is grow any profit, I'll either exchange it as it is, because as time goes by, guys, you will know that you don't have to convert your tokens anymore. You just can send it as it is. So um let's say someone wants $100 worth, $100, right? Okay, guys, so let's say somebody want $100 worth of Doge, $100 US dollar, and you have $100 worth of Doge. You can just send them your Doge coin as it is, right? You don't have to put it into USDT and then send it to them. You can just send it the Doge token over like that. So guys, this is the video that I have for you today. I want to thank you for guys for being here. Thank you guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.